In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Panera gift card balance. Let's get started with a few simple steps to make sure you know just how much you have on your card. First, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you are comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top, type in the word Panera, and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Panera. Now, from the search results, look for the official Panera website. You'll recognize it by the URL, which will display as panerabread.com. Click on this link to enter the Panera website. It's important to select the correct link to avoid any confusion or misuse of your information. Once you're on the Panera homepage, take a look at the top of the page. You'll see several menu options there. Among these options, find the one labeled Gift Cards. Click on this, and you'll be taken to the Gift Cards section. This step is crucial because this section contains all the information and actions related to your gift card. After that, look for a link that says Check Your Balance. This is usually prominently displayed because many users frequently need to access it. Click on this link and it will guide you to the Balance Inquiry section. At this point, you'll see a section under the question, Do Panera Bread gift cards expire or lose their balance over time? Right below that, there's an option to check balance. Go ahead and click on it. This is an important step because it reassures you that your card's balance won't expire, which is a common concern for many gift card holders. Now you'll be prompted to enter your gift card number and PIN. You'll find these numbers on the back of your physical gift card or in the email if it's a digital card. Carefully enter these numbers into the designated fields. Make sure to double-check the numbers you input to avoid any errors that may prevent you from accessing your balance. Finally, with your card number and PIN entered, click on the button that says Check Balance. Once you do this, the system will process your request. In just a moment, you'll see your current gift card balance displayed on the screen. Knowing your balance is essential as it helps you plan your purchases and manage your card effectively. It also prevents any surprises at checkout, allowing you to enjoy your Panera experience without any hitches. And there you have it, the complete process to check your Panera gift card balance. By following these steps, you ensure that you always know how much you have available on your card. This knowledge can be particularly helpful during busy shopping seasons or when making larger purchases. If you encounter any issues, make sure to check that you are on the official Panera website and that you have entered the correct card number and PIN. These details are key to successfully checking your balance. Thanks for following along. Remember, keeping track of your gift card balance helps you make the most out of your Panera visits. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.